Alright guys, so this is trekking going to I don't know what's the name of the falls. So we are climbing in the mountain. Trekking na to. Mulan kasi, umambon. Kaya may baboy ramo. Okay guys, medyo madulas yung daan. Nakakatakot. Putik. And parang naririnig ko na yung agos ng tubig. So medyo nasa tuktok na kami ng bundok. Yan, merong stopover dito. Maririnig mo yung lakas ng agos ng falls. Ito yung first station ng falls. Uy! May tubig. Ayan. Ito yung first stopover of the falls. Yan. Tanggalin yung paa mo. Ayan. Taas yan guys. Mamaya. Yan. Sobrang taas. Maligo muna ako.